What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really pissed at myself. It's a green day, which I should be happy about, but coming from what I kind of went through today, I'm just super pissed at myself. So, um, first off, we did have a good day as far as like momentum goes. Two stocks that were really good to trade today were Moho M. It's a weird name. MOHO, and what was the other one I traded? YJ was another one that was moving pretty well. Anyways, the reason I'm pissed today, I'm up $123, which is great. At the same time, um, I just botched so many great trades, and I built up such a big profit, and I just ended the day with 123. So to explain it a little bit, I'll put my little sticky note here. This isn't every trade, but it's a bunch of them. I try to catalog them as I go along, which is difficult when you're trading. So sometimes I don't get every single trade in there, but this is kind of how I started off the day. I mean, up 49 to up 52, and then I just screwed it up on FTech and down 19, down 162, down 125. And then I realized from there I need to tone back and really just focus on good trades. And I had a bunch of trades on because it was YJ, and they were great. They were just moving me up and up and up, and so I digged myself out of this hole, which was incredible. So I went from down 162, chipping away, and started making improvements. I got back to break even, and then I had a couple good trades on YJ, brought me up to 119. So here we are. I mean, yeah, I think it was throughout this move here, and got all the way up to let's see, look at this. Yeah, 172, 179, 200, 247, 302. And so, I got up to this and switched over, and then started trading Moho because that one was really pushing through at this point. And so I was kind of back and forth for a little bit on these two, and then I just switched over to Moho and traded this a bunch. And so, moral of the story here is I got all the way up to, it was $450, which for me is incredible. That's a massive day. And as you can see, I'm so pissed at myself because I worked all the way up to $450 profit. And I should have toned it back because I had a lot of trades in there already. And I think I'm learning, I'm trying to get a grasp for this new margin account. And I think the necessary evil here is that with the margin, because of that purchasing power, I'm making bigger share size moves, which is great, but at the same time, it's hurting me on the back end when I make those really bad trades. So working myself all the way up to $450 was really awesome, and I should have left it there. And however, you want to keep going, of course, right? When you're feeling good. And so I worked from 450, and then from there just started going backwards again. And I guess it was kind of regretful trading, going, oh, let me get back up to 450. And trading is all about that mental state of trying to get past that mentality of regret trades. That that's where you can really fall victim. And so I had a bunch of those, and man, it's unfortunate. And so I slashed that all the way down with these really bad trades towards the end of the day. Should have just left it go, and ended it with 123 on the day. So way down from where I was at, and pissed about that. I am happy I'm green to some degree. So that's good in some sense, but it's just really poor performance on my part, and I'm gonna work towards getting much better at that. So that's really all I got. I hope you guys traded this as well. Let me know if you did. But these are the two that I traded, and let's take a look at the chart here. Accuracy was 77%, which is decent, but I just took so many trades. Look at this, 184 trades. Way too many trades. This is like, it's record breaking for me. I never do that many trades ever, and with this margin, maybe I'm feeling greedy or just realizing I have, this endless purchasing power. So I'm just making way too many trades. So tomorrow I want to tone it back, focus on better trades, and have less of them, just much bigger trades, and just a lot less of them, because 184, that's way too much. That's what I need to focus on. So here's the overall chart we have here. It's Tuesday, up 123. It's putting us at 811 on the month here. So not too bad, looking good. We've got that nice forward progression. But to be honest, I know, there's a red day waiting for me at some point, and it's all about a matter of how can I manage that risk to make sure it's not a massive red day and I have a huge drawdown. So that's what really I think sucks just with trading, is it's such a mental game that, there are days that I've had for sure where, 2 red days in a row, big red days, can wipe you all your progress out for a month, and it's crazy. But you have to be conscious of that, and that's what I'm trying to focus on right now. So looking good. Don't want to jinx myself, but we're gonna just try to do the best we can here, and we'll leave it there. So anyways, hope you guys were green today. Hope you guys are taking care, and we'll see you tomorrow.